Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a stunning PC case designed for performance, airflow, and style, the NZXT H9 Flow 2025 Large Dual-Chamber ATX Mid-Tower. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or a showcase build, this case delivers the flexibility and features you need to make your system shine. The H9 Flow is built around a dual-chamber design, which separates your power supply and storage from your main components. This layout not only improves airflow but also keeps cable management clean and simple, giving you a sleek and organized build. Speaking of airflow, NZXT has included 3 140mm fans and one 120mm fan right out of the box, ensuring your components stay cool even under heavy load. And if you're planning on custom cooling, the H9 Flow supports up to 420mm radiators, making it perfect for liquid cooling enthusiasts. The case comes with a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to show off your components and RGB lighting while maintaining a clean, professional look. For builders who like a modern and minimal aesthetic, the black finish is sleek and timeless. One of the standout features is back connect readiness. This makes it easier to route cables behind the motherboard tray, improving airflow, reducing clutter, and giving your build a polished look without complicated modifications. The H9 Flow also supports a wide range of motherboards, including ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX, providing versatility for nearly any build. With ample space for graphics cards, storage, and cooling solutions, you won't be limited by the case when building a high-performance PC. Overall, the NZXT H9 Flow 2025 combines aesthetics, cooling, and functionality in one package. Whether you're a first-time builder or a veteran looking for a stylish, high-performance case, this mid-tower is worth considering for your next project. If you're interested in the NZXT H9 Flow 2025, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more in-depth PC hardware reviews.